In this video I show you how I uncover and refurbish a more than 100-year-old plank floor made from pine wood boards. Back in the days it has been painted in a red color. In 1970, particle boards have been used to cover the floor entirely to create a planar underground for carpet and vinyl flooring. All of this needs to be removed in order to bring the beautiful wood surface back to life. So let's get started. I remove the carpet by cutting it in 50 cm wide strips, which enables me to tear it off relatively easily. Next, the particle boards have to go. Unfortunately, they have been screwed to the plank floor, making this job quite hard. I found out the best approach is to carefully lift the boards with a hammer and a crowbar, thereby ripping out the screws while keeping the plank floor boards underneath nearly undamaged. Here you can see this process in detail. There was a wall between two rooms which has been torn down, leaving a gap in the plank flooring. I level out this gap and close it by new floorboards. Before the original wood surface can be seen for the first time since 100 years, the floor needs to get freed from the red paint. I hired a professional sandblasting company for this job. Doing it on my own with the sanding machine wouldn't have worked, because the paint immediately plugs up the sandpaper. The high-pressure sandblasting left the plank surface very uneven and there's still some residual paint, which is why now is the right time for sanding. After in total 4 passes, which used up about 20 differently coarse sandpaper discs, the wood is now sufficiently smooth and clean, but still has a vintage look and feel. Two layers of varnish give the floor its semi-glossy finish, conserve it and make it easy to clean. Here you can see the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, stay tuned for more DIY projects on this channel to come soon.